Welcome, Madhumita, on our channel MYB.
Thank you so much.
Make You Brand. And so today we have with us co-founder and CEO of Karo Startup. And
thank you so much, Mr. Rajesh. It's good to connect you, and also talking about your company. I have seen so many of interviews you have posted on your profile. It's good to see that you are sharing the journey of the entrepreneurs, and that's really great initiative.
Thank you very much for your compliments. So tell us about yourself, your career, and what you're doing.
Okay, so I'm from Bihar, and right now I'm based out at Noida. I have started my own firm, which is Karo Startup. I'm a computer science graduate. So you can say a young entrepreneur who is trying to do something, different in society when it comes to entrepreneurship. We have seen a lot of entrepreneurs facing a lot of problems, but there is not one solution to all the problems. Like for the funding thing, you have to go on some another platform. For learning entrepreneurship, you have to go on another platform. That, like, there are so many things, but taking a step of entrepreneurship is also one of the toughest step, we can say. It's to take. So we are providing as a Karo Startup one-stop solution for all the entrepreneurship stuff. So if you are an entrepreneur, you have to reach out to us to get all the helps which is related to, like, education, which is related to networking, which is related to getting funding. So like everything, we are making you prepared.
So how does motivation come to start this Karo, startup? What is the motivation behind it?
Okay, so I going 15 plus seminars into IIT Delhi. Yeah. So in the seminars, we have seen a lot of founders coming over, like, Sachin Bansal, Vinny Bansal. There are a lot of founders who talk about entrepreneurship, how did they started their journey, and there are so many stuffs like what goes through when you went to the road of the entrepreneurship. So after that, we realized, there is a lot of struggle. So how can we help entrepreneurs to, so we can provide them what to do and what not to do, which is where we stand out, and we will tell about them. So this idea was into our mind. So we started, like, with the internship thing in a startup company. We did not know like how a startup works. So we have seen a e-commerce company. We worked on that company. We have seen people in just 10 employees, the company is running and earning a good amount of money. So we're sitting at our home, we cannot even think about it. Like, e-commerce can be run through 10 employees as well. So there are a lot of stuffs. We went into market, like 1 year we took a time. Then we started Locals Bazaar. We got failed. It didn't work out actually. The idea was not that much innovative in the market. And after that, we started with a community, because we have seen a lot of successful, you can say, the company like Unacademy and Dunzo. They have started with a community. So we started with a community. Right now, we have a good community, more than 2 million people who are attached with Karo Startup. They know our brand. They want to promote their startups on our brand. If you can see the Instagram, we are every day promoting a new startup which is coming from the tier 2, tier 3 cities. Like, we have seen the companies like Your Story, INC42, talking about Ratan Tata, talking about Paytm, Oyo. But a normal person like us, coming from a village family, how does it matter whether the valuation of the company is this much, whether the valuation of the company is this much? But what it matters to me, how this company is going to inspire me to do something my own. So this is where we stand, and we are making people aware about the startups who are coming from your like Lucknow, small cities, like where they startups stand, and we promote them and inspire people. Like, if they can do, you can also do. So this is a small segment of our part in which I take like more than 350 interviews I have taken, including the Paytm vice president and Samosa King founder. So there are many stuffs in the list. So I have realized, like, we should make some platform like this. And last year we founded this company and started pitching investors about our idea, what we want to do. We got angel investment lastly in November, and right now we are looking for the seed funding to expand more.
So what is your unique special point about your this Karo Startup? so that people come to you.
Right. As I said, like, for any one thing, like if I want to make my pitch deck, so there are a lot of companies who will tell me, we are the company who are making pitch decks since so many years. This, we will get you funding. This. Okay, I want to start my own startup. What to do next? What are the steps? And there are so many 200 plus DMs we got every day from every entrepreneur or every college student. Like, I want to do my startup or something. So we thought, like, why not one platform? Why not one platform that you don't have to go anywhere, so that ki agar aap you're coming for the networking thing here, so you will get investors also here. Like, small, if you want small investor, you will get small investor. You just need to follow. So through our application Karo Startup, we are working on it right now. It's just a small MVP, if you can see. And after that, you will get to connect the small investor as well. Not everybody wants the VC at the very initial phase, right? There are some smallest investor other than angel as well, what we got. So I'm just telling about that. So they can also connect and invest in the initial phase of any startup. So this is how we have planned. Like, we will connect more than 200 plus investors on our platform, and same, like, more than 2000 plus entrepreneurs who want the small investment, like 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees, so that they can at least start, because starting is also very important when it comes to entrepreneurship. So every solution, and we will have an education platform as well. If you are getting education, then you will go for networking, then you will go for, like, every step. We have something structured, organized, only on one platform. You don't need to go anywhere for other things. So this is what we have designed as of now, by getting the queries of the people itself. We haven't think like one day, one night idea and we launched it.
So you have a wonderful team. How many are with you right now
Yep.
in your team?
So basically, if you, yeah, like 30 people are there, and like 15 of them are quite permanent here. And more like 15 people are doing internship. They keep on changing, coming, going. Like 50 people approx are we have done with the internship since we have started. So like it's going good, and we need to expand more. So currently we are looking for some seed funding. Will sure close by like October something. We have planned.
So any success story or more stories because of your Karo, startup? Any success story that you would like to share here?
Sure. So for me, for you, for any simple like person like who are into business, one post on Instagram is very common, right? So what we do when we are growing our community, like around we were at 50k followers we were at, and one of the companies, Food Adda. Food Adda was a startup from Mumbai itself. Right now, it's quite established. They have a good franchisees as well right now. So they started they asked to promote their company on our platform. So we wrote the article on them. We make a good post about the company journey, like how the one founder started and what is the team, what they do, how they are different from others, like everything in just 10 slides of Instagram. Through our reach, in one day they got request of around 25 franchisee requests from all over India and international. So we get a really, we were even shocked, like our platform is that valuable, is it so? So we started more focusing towards all small like entrepreneurs or people who are doing startups to promote them. So this is how, like, everything is very experimental in entrepreneurship. We get to experiment a lot of things every day. We want to add something different. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. There are also some platform who launch their product, like small product, and after that they get an international client, and the client got permanent for so many years, so they reach out to us and say thanks for this. So we really this is the motivation for our company, like the founders itself. Like we three are the in our team, there are four founders, and we three are the like major founders. So we are motivated from these feedbacks, these the kind of the quotes we get from the people itself, like you are doing well, your content is different from other platforms, and how we are making change in people's life. This is really really important, because for 1 year Karo Startup does not charge any money for anything. Like it's all free services we have provided. Now we have started charging something from the startups, but things are really going well, and people are really supportive. So that's what we have learned, and that was successful for us.
Mhm. Really great. So this Karo startup has changed the lives of many people. So what next? What is next level you want to see your Karo startup?
Right. So, Mr. Rajesh, we have thought a vision in which we will be creating 1 million entrepreneurs, or 1 million entrepreneurs from all the way from tier 2, tier 3 cities. Because I think जुनून बहुत है, but एक platform चाहिए जहाँ पे उस जुनून को हम रख के और कुछ बड़ा कर सकते हैं. So I think we need to reach every entrepreneur which is from tier 2, tier 3 cities, and हम उनको एक ऐसा platform देंगे so that they can build their own company. उनको पूरी सर्विसेज हमारी तरफ से उनको प्रोवाइड होगी, सो दैट दे वुड नॉट फील कि only IITians can build startups, or the myth is going on, but the times is going to change soon. I think because of us, or other companies are also providing this kind of opportunities. So this is our mission. In like 5 years, we have to make more than 1 million entrepreneurs, believing that they can also do entrepreneurship. So this is what we have thought of as of now.
Mhm. So any message you would like to give to this wonderful audience of us?
Yeah, sure. So I think make your brand. You have a good team, and everything is so good. Like you are also supporting entrepreneurs or CEO like us, so that they can tell us about their organization and promote their companies as well. So basically, we are a company who really want to help entrepreneurs. So if you are an entrepreneur, never ever think that only money matters or only networking matters. Some of the platforms take a lot of money from small entrepreneurs as well. Like we will guide you, we will give you mentorship, this. The only thing you need is just now, the one-stop solution is that, and we are not charging for that. You just need to connect with us, and we will definitely going to help you from our network, from our team. And we have helped so many people. You can see our rates of the courses. Can you believe it start from the 99 rupees? Because from when I was in college, I felt that I could not able to buy the course because of the money. My parents did not allow to buy like this much of course. Entrepreneurship, what is that? Go some Python courses for like. So this is very affordable courses we have present, like 99 rupees, so that everybody in the country can afford it, no matter what. So there are so many other things which is very valuable that we are providing other than market. So you can check out stuffs, and if you really want to promote, and if you want to become an entrepreneur, you can reach out to us anytime. Our team is totally available to help you.
So thank you very much, Madhumita.